would like to welcome you to the Positive Youth Justice Initiative, Organizing for a Healthy Justice System learning community. We are going to be a packed house today. Get in, be close, be tight. We're all part of the same community. Just take that spirit as we go throughout the day and just know that we all want to be together.
Here we are, 21 years later, allowing our young people to teach, to share their experiences beyond now, beyond juvenile hall, beyond county jail, beyond state prison, back into our communities.
To kind of see that shift from, we don't want no contact with these felons to, it's kind of good that we bring these two groups together because they're looking at someone that's 10 years down the line from them that have made the same mistakes that they're making now. Kind of helps connect in a way and build those bridges with the system, with the people in power, and also with the youth that are going through it.
I was very surprised when I found out that kids can actually get placed on probation without even having a criminal problem. So even if they're not arrested for something or charged with something, that they can still be placed on probation.
Right now we're starting off interviewing 100 to 200 system-involved young women that have been in the juvenile justice system. We're just trying to hear these stories from these young women so we can change policy and get rid of this juvenile hall.
Give these kids and youth a hand up versus, looking down at them.
I took part of GWAC, which is Girls and Women of Color. They can go and they can think about themselves for once,
My purpose in this work would be to uplift young people's voices on the state level and the national level.
The organization is based off of just giving the kid someone to look up to, another family.
They can go, they can talk to other people experiencing the same things as them.
Because our belief is that fulfill the promise of all the changes in policy and legislative changes is going to really take place at the local level. It's going to really take place in the counties. It's going to be the voice of folks who get out there and walk the streets so folks can vote for those things.
It's nice to see how no matter where you are, even if it's a long distance, we can always come together and we can connect and we could build bridges just so that more people are aware of the truth.
And it's beautiful for us as adults to come and talk about what we want for change and what we want to see in this community for our youth. But when you see youth come to the table, talk about their issues, their traumas, their wants, then you see change.
What I went through, everybody goes through, and it's okay to go through that. And it's okay to speak about it, even though sometimes you might not want to, but it's okay, And just by giving me the power of my voice.
It's young people asking for help. It's young people, essentially pointing out where these systems and communities that are supposed to be there to serve them and support them and nourish their healthy youth development, instead actually contributing to the depletion of their health.
I'm here for my family, for my community.
With this session, the idea of it was called Youth Voices.
Being able to hear them, bring that sense of power and finding their own power, that's amazing.
In the long term, I can see that those in power will realize that locking up these kids, these youth, are not necessary. What is necessary is keeping them out, investing in their education, investing in their mental stability, investing in their dreams, right? To become who they want to be, to build the nation up, because they're the ones that's coming after us.
We do have some resources, but a lot of them, you have to get in trouble with the law. And then there's a solution. We just think that that's not the way that it should be, especially if we think that young people are the future, young people are the now, so it's important to have them thrive.
As someone who travels around the country and has been engaged in these conversations, many people in many states wish they had the kind of policy environment that we have in California. We're having real conversations about systems change.